Use a T20 bit to remove the 8 screws securing the service cover. Use AM6 hex bit to remove the 4 screws securing the support plate. Unplug the 6 connectors to remove the main PCBA. Replace it with a new main PCBA and connect the 6 plugs. Route all the wires in the traps. Unplug the 6 connectors to remove the BMS PCBA. Replace it with a new BMS PCBA and connect the 6 plugs. Route all the wires in the traps. Unplug the 4 connectors to remove the self-propel PCBA. Replace it with a new self-propel PCBA and connect the 4 plugs. Route all the wires in the traps. Unplug the 3 connectors to remove the power control PCBA. Replace it with a new power control PCBA and connect the 3 plugs. Install the support plate and tighten with the 4 screws. Install the service cover and tighten with the 8 screws.